Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to practice how to tie a shoelace. So let's start. Hold the two ends of the lace, cross it. Now children, tell me which alphabet it looks like. It looks like an X. Now I am going to put one side of the lace inside and then I will pull it out. It becomes a knot. We will do it again. Take the both ends, cross it to make an X, and then we will put one side inside and pull it out. It becomes a knot. Now the next step, I'm going to make the bunny ears. Take the laces from the both sides and make the bunny ears like this. Now cross it like this. Now take one loop and put it inside and then pull it together. Finish. Again we do it. Make two loops like bunny ears and cross them. Take one loop inside and pull it out. Now the shoelace. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.